Put walnuts into boiling water. This is a trick everyone should know. Prepare about half a kilo of walnuts in their shells. Place a pan or pot on the stove and put the walnuts in. Pour boiling water over them and cook for 10 minutes. Stir to ensure all the walnuts cook evenly, then drain and let them cool. After boiling, the walnuts will be easy to crack and remove from their shells. It's a brilliant trick. Plus, you'll get whole, unbroken kernels. Crush them and pour into a large bowl. Add 4 tablespoons of shredded coconut and 6 heaping tablespoons of honey. Mix well. The mixture should be fairly uniform. Lightly grease your hands and form small balls from the mixture. Flatten them slightly and place on a plate. You should get 12 portions. Melt a bar of white chocolate in a water bath. Prepare a muffin tray lined with paper cups. Pour a bit of white chocolate into each one. Set aside or place in the fridge to harden. Once set, place the prepared nut portions on top of the white chocolate. Add all 12 balls and press them gently onto the hardened base. Then melt 2 bars of dark chocolate and spread it over the nut cookies. Cover each one. Once the chocolate has set, decorate with the reserved walnut pieces and shredded coconut. These nut cookies are now ready to enjoy. They're easy to make, delicious, and require no baking.